Trigonometric equations. Yeah, sinama-equations ku-trigonometry nakhona, ne? So in this lesson ngifuna sikhulume ngama trigonometric equations. Sometimes sinokwabiza ukuthi ama-general solutions because a trigonometric equation ayina only one solution, like a linear equation, or two solutions, like this one, a quadratic equation. So lana sizokhuluma ngama-trigonometric equations or ama-general solutions, ne? So sithi ama-general solutions ngoba a trigonometric equation iba nama-set of solutions. So asithathe our first example. Let's say cos x equal to 0,5, ne? And then the question might say find the value or values of x, ne? Or bangati find the general solution of this equation, ne? So uma ngabe ufuna a general solution to a trigonometric equation, this is what you do. Bheka ithini equation ethi cos x equal to 0,5, ne? So calculator what we call a reference angle, which is equal to the second function of cos to the 0,5. So uzoyenza so ke uzothi equal to the second function of cos 0,5, second function of cos is equal to 60 degrees. So reference angle yethu is equal to 60 degrees. Sithi reference angle yethu ngoba wonke ama-solution esowathola they are referenced around le angle le, ne? They are referenced around this angle. So into izokwenzeka ke manje. Well, u-x wethu, remember sithole what a reference angle kusengakabanga isolution yethu le. So isolution yakho uyithola so usebenzisa ama-reduction formulas wakho. Nangu cast rule yabuya futhi, ne? This is your cast rule. So usebenzisa ama-reduction formulas la, ne? In order to uthola ama-solutions wakho to any trigonometric equation. So back the 0,5 unjani positive, ne? The 0,5 is positive. So bese uyazibuza ukuthi yikuphi la cos positive khona. It's fourth quadrant and the first quadrant. So in the first quadrant x wakho is equal to the reference angle plus k times 360 degrees, where k is the element of integers, ne? Ngithi plus k times 360 degrees. The 360 degrees uyi period yani ye cos function. Angisho sakhumbula na udraw lama graph wakho now draw ama-functions we cos, the period is 360 degrees. So nala siyayisebenzisa kuma-trigonometric equations. So it's 60 degrees for the first quadrant. Le kuzoba isolution yethu for the first quadrant, ne? So it's just the reference angle plus k times 360 degrees, the period, where k is an element of integers, ne? And then it's the fourth quadrant. Any solution yethu kuphi? Iku fourth quadrant. The fourth quadrant, reduction formula yaku fourth quadrant is what? Is 360 degrees minus the reference angle, which is the acute angle yet. So plus k 360 degrees, k element of integers. So therefore wenzani 360 minus 60 degrees is 300 degrees plus k 360 degrees, k element of integers. Well, now my solutions work. Solution yami ngithola kuphi ku first quadrant. This is the first set of solutions. On the fourth quadrant, this is the second set of solutions. Ne? So ama solutions wami ku first and the fourth quadrant, 1 and 2. So the same thing applies with the amanyama function like your sine and your tan function. I started maybe I think erase la, and then sizothatha another example. Okay, asithi mhlambe sinenye example la tan 2x equal to minus 0.5. So bheka siqala sithola ini i-reference angle yethu, angisho? So funa ukuthola our reference angle, which is equal to the second function of cos 1,5. Okay, it's gonna be the second function of tan 1,5. Okay, nangabe bheka, nangabe une negative number la, ne? If your function is equal to a negative number, ne? Leyo sign lena nawuzo calculate reference angle yakho, the negative sign are we consider in your calculation. So it's gonna be equal to the second function asithathe sibeke into two decimal places. Two decimal places is equal to 56.31 degrees. Okay, le blue yang disappoint manje. Yang disappoint le blue. Okay. Now sengine reference angle yakho. Remember the 2x we angle yam, ne? It's not only x, so 2x is considered an angle kule function le. So bheka, it's gonna be 2x equal to the reference angle. Asibuyele back ku cast rule t. Okay, ikuphi la unokanje utan a negative khona. It's this quad as well as this quad in terms of our reduction formula. So bheka, in the second quadrant sithola ubani 180 degrees minus the reference angle plus k times 180 degrees. 180 degrees is what? Is the period for a tan graph. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 56.131. 31 is equal to 123.69 degrees plus k 180 degrees. 180 degrees, but I'm solving for x, not 2x. So I'm going to divide on x. So I'm going to divide on 2. I'm going to divide every term on 2 in this equation. So 2 divided by 2 is x. 123.69 divided by 2. You total 61.85 degrees plus k times 180 times 180 divided by 2, it's 90 degrees. So k is what? Element of integers. So lena is solution for the second quadrant, ne? So now for the fourth quadrant, the solution yam is over 2x equal to 360 degrees minus 56.31 degrees plus k times 180, where k is the element of integers. So it's 2x equal to 360 minus 56.31 is equal to 303.69 plus k times 180 degrees. Divide both sides or each term on the right hand side we got 2 equal to 303 divided by 2. It's 151,85 degrees plus k times a 90 degrees, where k element yama integers. So yeah, for a tan function, just make sure ukuthi okay wakho multiply nge-period yakhona, multiply at the appropriate period. So siyenze for a tan as well as for a cos function. So the k times, well ngathini, this term lena in a sine function izoba njani, izoba k times bani 360 degrees ngoba a sine function inani in a period of 360 degrees. Yeah. All right, maybe singathatha one more example, just one more. I think erase la. All right, now ngithole this example lena on a question paper yaka grade 11, I think yango November 2017. Yes. So this one we solve kanje ke bheka. Ngino sine ngapha nginobani, ngino cos. If lama angle bekafana lawo, bengizovele ngenzeni, ngidivide ngo-cos both sides bese ngiba no tan on the left hand side and then bese ngiba no 1 on the right hand side, then bezosolveka. But then in this scenario, x minus 30 degrees and 2x is ama angles wam, so akafani lama angles, ne? Then it becomes a problem nyana. Awukhona okulokanje ukwa solver with the normal ngathini, with the ngathini mar, what's the word engayisebenzisa la, with conventional thinking, ngathi ngisho kanjalo ke, ne? So into ozoyenza la, uzosebenzisa ama co-functions, ne? The co-function izos-allow ukuthi senze ukuthi izos-allow ukuthi sibe nabo cos both sides or abo sine both sides, ne? I hope ukuthi ngenza sense, but then lento engiyikhulumayo izoyenza sense in a moment. Well, bheka ke, i-aim yami ukuthi ngenze ukuthi both sides ngibe nabo sine. So bheka, sine 90 degrees minus 2x uyalingana no cos 2x. Sine 90 degrees minus 2x uyalingana no cos 2x. Lento sibiza ukuthi co-function. So bheka, sengino sine and a sine both sides. If usine x minus 30 degrees are equal to sine 90 degrees minus 2x. So in other words, ichaza ukuthini? Ichaza ukuthi lama angle ayalingana la. Lama angle lawa ayalingana lama angle la 2x. So sakhumbula in the previous example besine reference angle. Kulama problem afana nalawa asibi nama reference angle la, ne? Asibi nama reference angle. So there's something esithi it's a 1-to-1 ratio, but kuma trigonometric equations or kuma trigonometric expression, a 1-to-1 ratio simply means if nginama trigonometric ratios afanayo and are equal, so chaza ukuthi nama angles wakhona are equal as well. So njengalana ngibe no sine, therefore chaza ukuthi ama angle wakhona ayalingana. So instead of changing ucos wami abe usine, ngingachange this sine abe ubani, abe ucos, and then the same thing will apply nakhona, ne? So ngisebenzisa ama co-ratios or ama co-functions lana. I-reason yaloko ukuthi ngoba ngino sine no cos, and ama co-ratio, ama co-function asebenza only for sine and a cos, ayisebenzi for a tan function. So singayisimplifya ke manje, ne? Uma la mnganami, ne? uma la, ne? Then bese uyazibuza ke manje. Bese uyazibuza uthi yikuphi la ulo kanje usin. Remember angisho bheka ama function esiphele esigcine ngawo imaphi usin no sin. So bese uyazibuza ukuthi yikuphi la usin khona a positive khona. It's first quadrant and second quadrant. So it's going to be x minus 30 degrees is equal to lena i-acta as a reference angle yakho. That's 90 degrees minus 2x. I-acta as your reference angle. So bheka in the first quadrant always ne, always this thing is the reference angle yakho ku first quadrant yakho awu apply to any reduction formula. Ngisho sakhumbula ngithi ku first quadrant enhle asinayo reduction formula, so the reference angle yakho uzoyishiya njengoba injalo. Angisho whenever solving ama trigonometric equations kwamele apply ama reduction formulas. So sizoba no 90 degrees minus 2x. So in the first quadrant isolution yami kuzoba 90 degrees minus 2x plus k times 360 degrees, k element of integers. So lana ke ngisolve for x, angisho I'm solving for x. So this ngizogroupa x on the left hand side and then ama degrees on the right hand side. So kuzoba x plus 2x. The 2x nakafika ngapha uzoba positive. Ngizoba no 90 degrees plus the 30 degrees plus k times 360. So it's 3x equal to 90 plus 30, isn't it? 120. Yes, plus k times 360 degrees. Divider with 3 on every term. So x is equal to 120 divided by 3. Isn't it 30? No, it's 40 degrees plus k 360 divided by 3 in tola 120 k element of integers. Ne? So as well as on kulo kanje ku second quadrant angisho usign wethu njani positive. So it's going to be x minus 30 degrees equal to 180 minus 90 degrees minus 2x plus k 360 degrees. Ne? So lena we simplify komele sicale ngalat bracket le 30 degrees. It's 180 minus 90 plus 2x plus k 360. So our x one side minus 2x equal to 180 minus 90, it's 90 plus 30 degrees. Ngoba lo negative 30 nakeza ngapha uzoba positive, uzoba no k times 360 degrees. Let's subtract lena ngithola minus x equal to 90 plus 30 ngithola 120 degrees plus k times 360 degrees. So ngizodivide both sides ngo negative 1. Consider subscribing to the channel. Minus 1 is equal to, so a negative divided by a negative ngithola positive equal to minus 120 minus k times 360 degrees. So the general solution yami le, ne? The reason why ngidivide ngo negative 1 la ukuthi uzokwazi ukusala u positive x, not a negative x. That's what I'm solving for, a positive x. So x is equal to this in the second quadrant, and then in the first quadrant x is equal to this. So our solutions one for our trigonometric equations. I hope this lesson ikunike a insight into general solutions or trigonometric equations. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and then consider subscribing. Now we enjoy the video, just leave a thumbs up, and then thanks for watching, and bye bye.